Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to create the typing animation without CSS. We are going to learn this how to create this typing animation in JavaScript. So if you go to my website, which is akshayjain.tech, you will see on the home section there is the typing animation which says hi, my name is Akshay Jain, and it says that I'm a developer. Then it is this typing animation. It says I'm a developer, I am a video editor, I am a freelancer, and all those things. So how did I create it without CSS? So I have seen YouTube videos, and they have told to how to create this typing animation in CSS, like styling those span tags and then bringing one by one to the main section. So it's the CSS. So then I found this JavaScript library which creates the typing animation for you by itself. So why to do so much hard work when there is already a JavaScript library for you? So in this video we are going to learn that we are going to use that JavaScript library which is called the Typed.js, and we are going to use that and we will create a typing animation. So next screen is coming of the VS Code, where I will show you this typing animation, implementation of that typing animation, and then I will meet you in the end of this video. One more thing, many of you were asking my code for my website. So I have already uploaded the full code of my website on my GitHub profile. So I will give the link in the description, and you can check out the full website code on my GitHub profile. Do follow me on GitHub. I upload weekly projects on GitHub. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm in the VS Code, and let's create a new file here, index.html, and I will show you here only. Like we don't have to create the JS file. I will show you here only in the script tag. Okay, so let's create it fast. Typing animation. Let's create a h1 tag. Okay, so because I have to tell you the concept. So we will just skip the styling and all these things, but I have to tell you the concept. So my name is Akshat, and let's create an h2. I am a developer. So what I want right now here, like in h2 tag, I am a developer. Let's go live. So here it's look like this. So what I want is in h2 tag, I am a developer. It should say I am a developer, then it should create type animation, then it should say I am a freelancer, I am a YouTuber, I am a anything else. But this developer thing, like I am this developer thing, should be in typing animation. So how do we do this without having a CSS? So there is a library called Typed.js. If you search it on Google, you will see something like this. So if I show you this website, it says that we can use this Typed.js to create an effect like this. As you can see, here is the create, and here he have shown, and this is made by this Matt Bold. So here he have shown that if you use npm, you can install it from npm. 1 minute. Yeah, you can install it from npm. Then he has showed that this is the setup thing that you have to write. So let's go to the view on GitHub. Let's look the repo of this Type.js. So what we have to do, first thing we have to do npm install Type.js. So let's new terminal. Let's write npm install Type.js. So it will install the whole Type.js. So it successfully installed the Type.js. Now second step, he says that we have to add this cdn in our script, in our head. So after this, so we have added the script tag. Now here comes the main part, which says this is the thing we have to understand and write. So let me show you, let me teach you how to do this. So in script tag, now before that we have to do one thing. We have to move this developer in a span tag, because this is the thing we have to the Type.js effect, that effect we have to apply it on this particular word, right? Like developer, video editor, then freelancer, and everything. So we will use span tag, as we know that span tag is used to style the particular word or particular thing. So yeah, this is it. And now what we will do, we will here give a particular class, let's say type, right? And we will remove this, right? So in script tag, now what we will do, I will first explain you here. Write objects. First is strings, and in strings we have to pass the strings which we want to present in that effect. Like here I want I am a developer, then I want I am I am is fixed, but developer is changing, then freelancer, then video editor. So that developer, video editor, freelancer, I will write in this array in the strings object. Second is type speed, and type speed defines the speed like of the cursor, which is going to show your strings. So this is the type speed. So let me copy this, right? So I will edit in this only and paste it here. And strings, what I will do, I will just remove this all and I will write my own strings. First is developer, right? And second is video editor, and third is freelancer. At type here defines the types. 40 is too slow, let me create it 100. Then third attribute is back speed. And in loop, let's say true. Okay, so these are the some objects we have defined in strings, what type of object we want. Now let's create, now let's copy this class name and use this typed.js function. So what here it says that use this thing, what type, new type is a keyword, right? It's a predefined keyword you have to use. And here you have to write the element which is the like class type through which you are going to call this, and here you want to present this. And in options you are going to pass this options object which will tell you what are the strings, what is the type speed, what is the back speed, and how many times do you want to run it. So I will just copy it and I will just paste it here, and instead of type element I will write type, right? So this is it. Now it should, yeah. So as you can see, it is now doing the animation. I am a video editor, I am a freelancer, I am a developer. Now if you just decrease it, it will become very fast. So look at it, like as you can see, it becomes very fast. And if you increase it, it will become very slow. So the back speed become very slow. So more the number, less is the speed. This is the like, and in loop true, I have the loop is true, which means it will go again and again, right? It will go again and again. It will go again and again. But if I just write here false, what it will do, it will loop only one time, but not the next time. Video editor, right? Freelancer, but now it will not loop. As you can see, it stops here. So this will loop only one time. So if we want to loop it again and again, we have to say true. So this is it. This is the simplest animation you can do without having the CSS. And there are many more properties, like we have used loop, back speed, type speed. I will provide the link of this GitHub repo in description, and you can just look all the features, all the properties which are mentioned here, which is like bulk typing. You can also do this bulk typing, smart backscraping, and you can also use it with React.js using hook components, right? Vue.js. So they have told everything how to use them. So this is it. We learned how to create this typing animation without having any CSS. So yeah. So I hope you like this video, and if you do like it, please share this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will meet you in the next video with a new JavaScript tutorial or something else which will improve your front-end developing skills. So yeah, goodbye.